Hola amigos, hoy en TheShadowHaunters vamos a empezar con las videoguías y la primera que vamos a hacer va a ser la de Lollipop Chainsaw. Algunos lo conocerán por el juego en el que hay una tía repartiendo a zombies con una motosierra, pero vamos a ver qué tal está.
Welcome to my bedroom. Don't think that me letting you in here is an invitation for any funny stuff. I mean, not that I have a problem with funny stuff. Especially not if you really like the person. But that isn't what I wanted to talk about. Today is, as they say in Spain, my cumpleaños. That's right, my birthday. I'm 18 today. These are my girls on the San Romero cheer squad. We've gone to the Nationals 3 years in a row. But we haven't won yet. Ugh. To keep my energy up, I eat lollipops. I know what you're thinking. I'm getting so fat, but they're so yum. This is my family. My older sister Cordelia won a gold medal in riflery last year. And she has a lot of secret meetings with guys I think are college scouts. My little sister Rosalind just got her license, which makes me kind of think the DMV are idiots. My girlfriends say my dad is a total dilf. But try as they might, they could never come between him and my mom. She is so cool. It's because of her, my sisters and I all wear our vaginas proudly. God, she and my dad love each other so much. Speaking of true love, this is my boyfriend, Nick. It F's me up how much I really like him. My family's throwing me a birthday party after school. Nick is totally freaked out having to meet my family for the first time. But I'm even more freaked out for him to find out about my family. Because even though they're the most amazing ever, some of our traditions are a little unusual. Nick's already so sweet to never complain about my ginormous fat butt. If he finds out I'm the #1 world's biggest weirdo, he might not stick around. I'd be so sad, I think I'd seriously cry forever. Oh no, I'm totally late! I was supposed to meet him before school. I'm so lame, ugh. I hope Nick isn't mad. That's about the worst thing that could ever happen! Seriously? Dude. What the hell?
Claro, ¿quién no ha llevado alguna vez una motosierra al colegio?
And on my birthday, too! Like I'm not already late enough! Gross! Stupid! Undead douchebags! This is so irritating! alone. I need to find Nick. How to cook zombies? Awesome!
Be sorry.
Hold it right there, you zombie jerks. I'll help you. No!
Awesome! I'm still alive!
Pretty zombie medals.
Thanks, kid. Really great work. See if you can get anyone else out.
Be careful.
Look out! Incoming!
Whoa, zombies suck dick at driving. Awesome! Your license should be revoked, bro.
I'll rip out your tape!
Oh, great. This isn't gonna be as easy as I thought. Hey, her! Don't be looking at my skirt! Just don't move. I'll take care of him. No big whoop.
Great. I see one more. I got it. All right.
We gotta deliver them eggs.
Ah! Watch out!
Come on, get away from me!
Hold on, I'm coming!
president is Warren G. Harding.
So rad to save somebody's life.
Well, we got these ones, but I see a whole group of these undead bastards incoming. Meet me up ahead. Fantastic job, kid.
Glad you made it, pilot dude!
Where's the bee?
Hold on, this is too dangerous. I'll meet you in the square. Jesus God! Get off me, you bastard! No! Oh shit! Tell my wife!
Oh no! He crashed over by the school and is probably dead! Just a second!
Hey, it's Mom, Juliet. Hope you're taking care of yourself. Don't do anything stupid, okay?
Wow, now is the perfect time to do some shopping! God, I love shopping.
Crazy way it thrills me. Tell you why. Just like the
Click, click.
lightning from the sky. He loves to kiss me till I can't see straight. Gee, my lollipop is great. I call him
Click,
lollipop,
click.
lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, lolly, lolly,
What should I get?
lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop.
Okay then.
Bueno chicos, creo que va a ser todo por ahora, así que luego seguimos. Si os ha gustado darle a me gusta, si no pues podéis siempre poder poner alguna sugerencia en comentarios. Y si os ha gustado muchísimo, suscribiros porque voy a seguir subiendo vídeos de este tipo. ¿Vale? Venga, chavales, hasta luego.